Ow.
Oh, I took a picture.
That's working. Oh, white off. I know.
Concentration. Stop moving it. I'm trying to eat here.
Look at these two.
You found that milk.
You're getting it all over me as usual.
Come here. Oh, look at the little foot. Shut her little foot up.
Come here.
I like the waving.
He got his foot caught on his bottom jaw today. It was pulling down. I was like, stupid, stop it.
He's like, that hurts. That hurts. Oh, being attacked.
God, you are so messy. I know.
Oops. Come here.
I love how they're just freaking psychotic at this for the first few minutes. First syringe one.
I like how they're sweeping the air.
Little tongue out.
I left.
Look at that.
It's not a boxing match, baby. Just eat. There he's praying.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
He keeps going, Oh, I know. Come here. Come here. She purrs whenever I pick her up.
I know what this means. Love and dinner. Look at those claws. Wow. What a pretty baby.
No.
We got
Ow, Mom, ow.
crashing and burning going on outside.
Look at that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like, wait, stop. I couldn't hold on you. Oh, I know. That one. Oh, hi. Yes, but you got milk mouth going on.
I like to keep it off. Turn his mouth. Yeah, we would. Come on.
You are so messy.
I love that foot action. That's right here.
Oh, it's in your finger, like it isn't down there. It happens to be.
What? His eyes are like, oh, this is good.
Watch him. We'll hold him while he comes out of it.
He's like, Mom's gone.
Oh,
Okay, come with me. Okay. Oop. Crashing baby. Hold on. You'll be next, I promise. Look at your little tongue. Hey!
shh. Be quiet, big mouth.
Come on, let go. Okay, camera's winging around the room here.
Oh, yes. How dare we feed your siblings as well?
I love the claws on that cat. Looks like a bear.
Hey, be hush.
Oops, big head in the way. Okay.